the past decade, we've been collaborating very closely with the AI lab in the context of different AI methods. We've been doing this in the field of offshore wind, where we have the advantage that we are building an offshore living lab, where we are collecting data offshore from different turbines, where we combine our own measurements with data that is directly available. The novel methods are tested on this data, and from our background in engineering, we take the focus really on the machine, understanding what is happening, and we combine it with the expertise of the AI lab, where they focus on methodological development of novel AI methods that allow us to really take steps forward within predictive maintenance, AI-based control, and performance optimization.
Speed reinforcement learning aims to integrate multiple complex data sources over a very large wind farm. So think about electricity prices, energy productions, even the vibrations of the turbine components. There's just too many data sources to reliably design a controller by hand. Still, we believe that traditional reinforcement learning techniques will not suffice in this case. We believe that we need engineering experience in order to integrate it in our AI-based systems. And this is why the development of such a controller requires the expertise of both of our labs and industry. While we combine our expertise in wind energy and AI at the VUB, industry makes sure that our solutions are impactful towards both industry and society.